What I wish I knew about the brain virus instead of just how to use a computer in 1986. In 1986, the digital landscape changed forever with the birth of the brain virus. Created by two Pakistani brothers, Basit and Amjad Farooq Alvi, this innocent-looking 5.2 floppy disk carried the first ever PC virus. Frustrated by rampant software piracy, the Alvi brothers decided to take matters into their own hands. They ingeniously crafted Brain to replace the boot sector of floppy disks, embedding a hidden copyright message within it. But here's the kicker. Brain wasn't designed to destroy data. Instead, it was the world's first stealth virus, lurking in the shadows, undetected by early antivirus programs. This pioneering piece of code set the stage for a new era in cybersecurity. It taught us an essential lesson: vigilance in the face of unseen threats. So, next time you think about computer viruses, remember, it all started with Brain.